Our apartments are in Windermere, it's a Venetian Isle. It's a brand new apartments with the pool, with the gym. We have a free coffee in the clubhouse, and they are very, very nice.
The complex is beautiful. It's a brand new complex, and we also have a big pool, a gym, and the people that work there are really friendly. They help us a lot, and I really like the atmosphere that we create there because we're all friends and we stay really good there.
The apartments are new, all brand new. We got the pool, we got the gym, we got everything we want actually. It's also I'm living with people from Renenzo. They're all cool guys from around Italy, from the north to the south to the center.
Okay.
It's good.
Yeah, so our apartments are brand new. They were just built. They got all the amenities you may need. You know, we share our apartment with different colleagues, Italian people. You've got a big kitchen, a couple bedrooms, got a sofa. You know, everything you may need.